conference will now be recorded.
Hi all, very good morning. Okay, so without any delay, I'll just start the session. May others join in between. Okay, so in the previous session, we are trying to understand what is DBMS, right? So DBMS is nothing but it's a management system. In the DBMS, we have different properties which are also known as acid properties, and also uh, disadvantages in normal way of storing data has become an advantages in dbms. So the advantages also we discussed, and we come across all the different dbms. Okay, after that, we concluded that relational model we are using nowadays to store the data. Okay, and one more thing, um, columns are also known as attributes, rows are also known as records. So this information you need to remember in your mind. Okay, and one more thing, I told you that I will be telling you what is on premise and what is cloud, right? Yeah. So before introducing what is sql, okay, we know that it is a medium or a language that help us to communicate with relational databases. So okay, this information we know about sql. Okay, so before that, I just want to tell you what is on premise and what is cloud. It's a general knowledge. Okay, when we decided to enter into this data domain, we should aware of what is on premise and what is cloud, what actually running in this industry. Okay, see, on premise is nothing but everything you have to buy and you have to configure by your own. Okay, just like your sql server. If you want, I'll show you the sql server here, but in general I will give you one example. Maybe the sql server or everything you have to buy, everything you have to configure, if I say something like this might confuse you. This might um, have some lot of questions in your mind. What is configuring, what is installing, why we have to do all those things, what is on premise in general. Okay, see, on premise is nothing but whatever you want to do. Let's say you want to run your code, or else, okay, don't talk technically, let us be it so normally. um you have your phone number, contacts, right? Contacts in your mobile, right? See, in olden days, okay, I'm just talking about olden days. In olden days, we don't have any email. Okay, we have, but our parents does, I mean, usually have this keypad phones. Okay, now everybody was having a smart enough with the smartphones, but in earlier we used to have this keypad phones, right? So in that keypad phones, if something happens, if that phone destroys, if that phone is not working properly, if they buy a new phone, we are just able to change the sim from this phone to that phone, right? So our parents generally says that few numbers are missing. So why it happens? So can anybody, why few numbers are missing if you change the sim to one mobile to another mobile? Can you tell me answer for it? You know this. In simple, right? So few phone numbers are, first of all, am I audible? Hey, confirm me in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, thank you so much. See, in olden days, yeah, thank you guys. See, in olden days, we used to uh, hear this such kind of words that few numbers are missing, even if you change the SIM from one mobile to another mobile. It is just because few numbers are storing in the phone directly. Okay, so the moment you store the numbers in a phone, if phone collapses, that data will not be retrieved, that data will not be recovered, that data will not be backed. Okay, if it is in SIM, you can store it in the another mobile also. Now that olden days methodology is nothing but an on premise one. You have taken the phone, you have installed the SIM. Even if you buy a new keypad phone also, the same happens, right? If it collapses, and whatever you have, let's say, um your okay, the same keypad phone, okay, in the same keypad phone numbers, are you able to see those numbers in your phone as of now we are seeing it? No, right? See, I can't see what are all the numbers I have in my father's phone. Okay, because in olden days he used to maintain that keypad phone, and those numbers cannot be in my mobile, because he's not using any email, he's not using anything to store those numbers. What I'm trying to tell you is, if something collapses, it collapses, no other option to back up that. And one more thing, you can't see, you forgot your phone here. Okay, you forgot your keypad phone here. Will you able to retrieve the information that you stored in your keypad phone? No, right? Until unless you get that phone, you will not be able to recover the data, right? Either that phone you need to have, or else just leave that data, right? So this one thing. And now what happened to the same? I am storing my phone numbers in the email. Okay, see, while saving, you will be getting this option, right? If you want to sync to this, which email you want to sync, you are just selecting your email, and that is syncing to your this mail. If even if after changing your SIM, some numbers you will not get until unless you have your email in your phone. Okay, now I lost my phone, or else I don't have my phone right now with me. So I want a few numbers that I have synced with email, which is very important. Now what I can do, I can take my mother's phone, I can log in my email, simply I can get my all my accounts, I mean all my phone numbers which I needed. Now wherever you go, wherever you can able to log in and get your data, that is that information in cloud, in the sense, whatever you store data. See, you know about Google, right? You know how Google email is also a Google account, Gmail, Google account, right? By using a Google account, you're going to have an email. So where you're storing the data, you have OneDrive where you're storing the data in the cloud. I myself no need to carry my phone with me. Okay, so okay, if my friend is beside to me, I can take her phone and I can log in my if I want WhatsApp, if I want Instagram, if I want email, if I want my drive, if I want my contacts, everything can be in cloud now. Google are providing a cloud platform, Amazon is providing a cloud platform, AWS is providing a cloud platform. These three are the major cloud platforms we have in the industry. Okay, as of now, we are knowingly or unknowingly, we are using cloud, I mean, Google Cloud. Everybody was having YouTube, everybody was having OneDrive, everybody was having this emails. Those are all in cloud. You no need to install anything. See, don't tell me, Bhavya, I need to install the Google products. Okay, that installation is fine. But see, are you installing the email? Are you installing the email? See, apps you are using. Okay, applications you are installing. But can you do the same thing in the web? Right? Can you log in your WhatsApp in the web? You can. See, I have, if you see here, I don't have any WhatsApp here.